We're here at Cracker Barrel in Binghamton, New York, ready to go at the zoo at the Animal Adventure Park, where we're going to meet April the giraffe, who just had a baby this last spring.
Rusty, look, smile, Rusty. Hi, dude. Hello. Look at that tail go. Look at the tail. Oh, he's friendly.
Oh, Mom, this is good, Mom. Look,
What?
it's a Christian book. It has like scriptures in it and stuff.
Who gave it to you?
So the person, she gave me a tattoo, a candy, and she gave me this. It has like a bunch of outline stuff from the Bible and stuff.
Oh my gosh, go ahead, read one of them.
Let's see what the first page says. It has different scriptures and stuff.
Well, give me one of the scriptures.
Let me see if I can find it. It says here, Jesus then said, I will be with you a little longer, and then I am going to him who sent me. You will seek me and you will not find me. Where I am, you cannot come.
Read another one.
Okay, one says, if anyone thirsts, let him come to me and drink. Whoever believes in me, as the scripture has said, out of his heart will flow rivers of living water.
Okay, Rossi, here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Rosalind.
Wait, I gotta come here.
Good now.
Oh, this is a nice. Oh, your finger.
Just got it.
You got it?
I got it. Let me try once more.
Okay, Rossi, look at the camera.
Wait until it shows up. Kai, get back here, please.
You saying hi?
Hello. Oh boy, this is big. Hello there. Take a picture of it for us. Happy feet. Hello.
I think we look at the face and the
Why are they so stiff?
They're watching trick-or-treaters go by like, what are these?
The way that he got his head, he keeps like resting. He's like, he's closing his eyes and just sitting.
Aww. Falling asleep.
Okay, Iris, so we have.
Got it. What time do you have? All right.